guys, I'm so excited. We're going to make honey garlic chicken. And of course, the star of the show is the chicken with garlic and honey and some other ingredients which are maybe available in your pantry and refrigerator. All right, let's get started. Honey garlic chicken is easy to make and is very flavorful. The sweetness of honey and the roasted garlic make a perfect combination. Here are the ingredients. Lightly season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. Then lightly coat the chicken with cornstarch. Wash your hands really well after touching the chicken to avoid cross-contamination. On medium heat, add olive oil. Then sear the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Now turn the heat to low and let's fry some garlic. Constantly stir and fry for about 1 minute, watching carefully not to burn the garlic. Fried garlic is really good. It's also a great condiment for soups and other dishes. Transfer the fried garlic on a separate container and then set it aside. On the same pan on low heat, add the remaining chopped garlic, then sauté for about 30 seconds. Add the soy sauce and water combination. Honey. And a garlic chili sauce. Mix well to combine. You may add more garlic chili sauce if you like it spicier. For this one, it's just a hint of spiciness. Add the chicken back onto the pan. Then cover and simmer for about 15 minutes while turning both sides in between cooking to let the chicken absorb the delicious flavor of the sauce. You may double the sauce if you like it with extra sauce. It's all up to you. If you'd like a crispy coating, you may fry the chicken on the pan or you may put them in the air fryer for about 3 minutes on each side at 370 degrees or until the desired crispiness is achieved. The taste test is coming! Yay! We finished making this wonderful and delicious honey garlic chicken. So look what I have with some rice pilaf and also our famous kale salad. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, let's do it. Let's do the taste test. Wow! Look at this chicken. It's moist. And it's beautiful, gorgeous. Wow. Here we go. Wow! So good! Yay! Sorry about that. I'm not a dancer. But this is delicious. Let's try this. Okay, here. Kale salad on the side. That's a big portion. Simply amazing. So if you want to learn how to make this delicious raw kale salad with strawberries, I have another recipe. Check it out. Yeah, it is really good. Okay, let's have one more bite of this wonderful honey garlic chicken. It's easy to make, isn't it? Very simple ingredients, and it only takes about 20 minutes to cook, 20-25 minutes, so it's a 30-minute meal. Lovely, delicious. Okay guys, we just finished making this wonderful and delicious, I always say that, huh? Wonderful and delicious honey garlic chicken. And you guys take care. God bless you. Many hugs for you and your loved one. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Paalam. I'll see you soon.